Hey guys, how you doing? It's Mark. Just want to show you guys how that toolbox installation worked. It's mounted. It is underneath my bed rail, so my top can come up over that. Opens all the way up. I just need to fill it. And the top rolls right on over. Like that. Just like that. Hidden, out of the way, very discreet. Nobody knows, nobody knows. Ta-da. Like it. Very nice. Like it. Alright guys, that's what I got for you. Have a great day, unless of course you've made other plans. Peace out.